Hi everyone. For the final data analysis assignment, there's another data source that I want to share with you. And this is the website link for that resource. And I posted this under the assignment page for the final data analysis. So you can access to the link over there if it is too long for you. So basically, when you go there, you will see this page, and this is Inter-Institute for Social Sciences. I don't exactly remember the full name. Yeah, Institute for Social Research. Right. So for this one, so you can use the site to obtain a data set, and again, I'm going to show you like how to do that. So for this, basically click Find Data, and we're on that page. So next, go to Statistics and click the 13,906 studies. So click that one. And when you click that one, you will see this page. And what you want to do is you want to be like using some filters. Like for example, you want to use the public use data. So click that one, so it will update the list automatically. And data format, you can basically select which format that you want to use. And delimited is basically an Excel format, so I'm going to select that one. But of course, you can select other data types if you are familiar with those websites. So we can use any of these data type. So they're both qualitative and quantitative data. So I'm gonna focus on the quantitative and data availability, and I'm gonna click public data. So yes, so basically there are a couple choices that I did. First one is restriction type, and then you want to click public use data. The second one is data format, and you can pick any of these if you have the software and if you are familiar with it. And delimited is basically an Excel format. And in terms of data type, for this purposes, I selected quantitative, but if you want to focus on qualitative, of course, you can select qualitative. And the last selection that I made was public data. Okay. And okay. So these are different studies that's available, and you can basically pick any of these, but I'm just gonna go with the first one, for example. Yeah. So I'm gonna click that one. So when you click that one, you will get a brief information about the data set, like summary, and any published research on that one, and you will get a citation, like how you can cite the data source. But to access the data set, you basically need to click the data documentation. So when you do that, you can either click here and then select any of these to be able to download the data, or you can just come here and you can select it from here. And again, I'm going to pick delimited because that's the Excel file type. And so after I selected that one, there's like terms of use for data. You read that one and then you agree. And then so it will ask you to log in. So I'm gonna pause the video for a sec and then enter my login info. So I entered my login information and then I can log in, but if you don't have, if you haven't registered before, you can create a new account. So I'm going to log in. And it's asking whether I want to save the file, and I'm going to click save. And open folder. So I downloaded these before, so I'm going to delete. So let's this one. So this is the file I just downloaded. So I'm going to unzip this one, extract all. And after you extract all, so it's going to be here. So if you notice that there's a file with kind of a zipper, and so that's the compressed folder. So this is the unzipped version of that one. And you'll get the terms of use here and the data in this folder. And so delimited is basically the delimited is the separator that they use to file in the file. So I'm going to double click this one and open that one. So basically this is how the data looks like. And I was telling before that this is an Excel file, but like from this view, it looks like it's not an Excel file, right? So what you need to do is you need to open Excel and so copy the link where the file is located, go to Excel and click open, and you click browse, and you go to that folder and you say all files, and then click data and open that one. So here it's going to ask you like what's the delimited that they use. TSV means tab separated. So the delimitation is going to be tab. So delimited characters that just come as a tab separate each field. So what I'm going to select delimited, and my data also has headers. If you let me reopen that one, header basically means the column name. So in this file we have a header. So I will go to Excel and check that one, indicating that our data set has a header, and click next. And again, like tab is what they use. And so this looks okay. I'm just gonna quickly check, and column data format. Then you can basically look at each one and then decide, and then I'll say finish. So when you do that, you get the data in the Excel format. So it looks like this is a big data set. There's only like 56,000 cases. And it looks like they use -999 as missing data code. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to save this data as an Excel. So when I can close this one, so now that data set is here. So I'm going to close this. I will close this one also. And then if I double click that one, it will open the data file. Okay, so this is the data file. Now you can take this data into R or any other software, or you can just use Excel for to analyze for the final assignment. And then if you wanna, let's open that file again, and if you wanna check what each column means, you click codebook here, and so let's scroll down. So for example, the first column is ID, the second column is ID file, ID fam. So it basically explains what each of these columns means in the code book. So if there's age variable, and let me go to that column, age, yeah. So you can see people's ages, and Like if we focus on age, we see that the mean is 25.80, median is 26, and so minimum age is -999. Nobody can be at that age, so that means that -999 is the missing data code. But if you want to just make sure that's the correct interpretation, yeah, I just searched the document for missing and missing a big -999. Okay, and not every file or data file that you find on the ICPSR website has data. So, like for example, earlier I checked with another student that in the youth development study. So this one doesn't include the data. So like I'm gonna download everything. I'm gonna do it delimited. First, save it. But this is a little bit bigger file, so it might take a few minutes to download this file. Okay, this is let's stop. And again, this is the same idea. So it gives you the project description and the citation and more information. So it looks like it finished downloading, so I'm going to go there. I'm going to extract or unzip. So extract. So we downloaded everything for that data set. And so it's this one that we just downloaded, so I'm going to open that one. So there are different folders. And I'm going to open the first one. So for example, this one does not include the data set. And so this one doesn't also. So it might take a couple try to find the data set. And I suggest the approach that I showed at the beginning. So basically click, go to find data, click the number of studies that you see on the screen here, and then change restriction type to public use data, and select data format delimited, and again, you can open this file in Excel, and so data type, select the quantitative, and the last one that I checked was public data under data availability. So, and the first one I tried was this one, and okay, we can check this one. Okay. And the same idea, you download the file and then select delimited, agree with the terms, and save the data set. Okay, it finished downloading. I'm gonna unzip this one or extract all. It opens. There are like 4 different folders, and so again, this is the tab delimited, and I can you can open TSV in a notepad. So open, I will associate it again, notepad++. So I'm just gonna double click and open it. So that's how the data looks like. Again, this data set has headers, and it looks like for missing data, they didn't use any code, they just used empty space. But to open that data set, again, I'm going to copy the folder path. So I will open Excel and open a new workbook. So to do that, we basically hit new and then blank workbook. And you will go to File, Open, and then Browse, go to that folder you just downloaded, but I copied the folder path, so I can, so it looks like it's empty, but you need to select all files and click Data. And again, the same idea, we have a delimited file, and as I showed you, we have our data set has headers, so we the column names, we click that one. In terms of delimiter, we use tab, then click next, and then you can work through this more. So this is more like if you want to specify, if you have a column that includes date, date is treated differently in data sets. So you can specify the date, or if there's a like text variable that you can select that one. But in general, like we may not need to worry about that one. So I click finish. Now I have the data set here. And this is a relatively smaller data set with only 153 columns. The next thing that you want to know is like what each of these columns means. For that, again, in that folder, there is a code book. And you can, like for example, like ID, like family ID. So basically each of these column names is explained here. Total income in the last calendar year or individual family. Yeah, so this is how you find data on the ICPSR website. The other website that I showed you, osf.io, it might be, I heard from a couple of students that they don't always have the code book in it, but this data set, this website is more organized, and if there's a data set, then there's usually the code book. So that's all for this screencast, and let me know if you have any questions.